I think it's time to save MEOWY. So let's do that. I am a manga reader. It is in the title. I will try not to spoil for people that apparently will, because some people do watch when they're anime only too. Something like, just see reactions. Yeah, you know, hi Makima. Is that emotion on your fucking face? You'd be arrested for that. Whoopsies. Ha 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 ha. You need to think before you act, idiot. Oh? No. It was him. Damn, she lying through her fucking teeth, bro. Goddamn. Makima ass shot. You humans and your filthy fucking lies. This shot is... Oh, yeah, just calm the fuck down. Quiet down. God damn it, Denji. You're staring at boobs. Even if they're covered in blood. Staring at boobs. Right on the titties, bro. It's fascinated by the... I remember this panel. Cat. Yoguru water? Is that like sparkling water? Being able to just grab a drink like this is a dream come true. I mean, yeah. I only enjoy the company of cats, man. Fucking meow. We gotta save MEOWY, bro! Oh yeah, I can understand for a cat, man. Denji doesn't give a shit, though. He just straight up fucking said it, bro. Huh. So he's a dog person. Because Pochita. What would you say to the prospect of fondling my chest? The music starts playing. That fucking devil. He thinks... Immediately, like the spark in his brain just... We're going to get him! Oh. His goals are beyond your understanding. You know, I never really saw it, but there's Beam, there's Angel, and there's that spider devil person, and Kishibe in the back. I didn't realize that. They were there. So is this the Mickey Mouse fucking dance that they're doing? That's what someone said, that they're doing the Miska Muska Mickey Mouse shit, you know? Maybe. I hope. Oh god, I hope. Make sure to have her back by 5 p.m. Yes, yes, yes. He does not give a shit. He doesn't give a single fuck about what she's saying. He just wants boob. But he gets it. He gets the pet stuff. Because he had Pochita. Damn, dude. Is it really, though? Yeah, I guess so. Oh, fuck, dude. To the different countries that use the different devils, bro. God. Yeah, don't worry. Oh, don't you worry, sir. Don't you fucking worry. I love the shots, man. It really does feel like a movie. It really just feels very movie-like. That's what he wanted. Oh, the fear stuff, yeah. More the devil's feared, the more powerful they'll become. And I remember at this point, I was so confused. Because I didn't know if there was gonna be, if there really was a devil of everything. But there really is, though. Really is. So that's why the gun devil is so terrifying. Because it's so fucking big. Because guns are fucking terrifying. And now she's talking about chainsaw. And it's like, yeah, it could be scary. Interesting. Oh, don't worry. Denji has a goal. This is just so good, bro. I love the pacing on this. Yeah, I can turn into a bunch of chainsaws. It's completely normal, don't worry. Uh-oh, here we go. Woohoo! Ooh. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, she wants to offer him to the devil to get MEOWY back, right? Something like that. It's kind of horrifying. Jesus, what a shot. That's just Fujimoto in a nutshell, though. Loves his pacing, his movies. Oh. Oh, he's squeezing his ass. Holy shit. Yeah, because he's a hybrid. That's why it tastes bad. Oh. Dude, this music. Jesus Christ. Damn. Just society as a whole. MEOWY, dude! There he is! No. No. Meowy. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Oh, Meowy. Oh. And then it became a love for this little dude. This little Meowy, bro. Damn. Bro. He just straight up takes the cat. And she really cares about Meowy, bro. Oh man. 'Tis an awful feeling. Oh, fuck. Alright, goodbye. Goodbye, power. She has been consumed. What will you do, Genji? What will you do? Oh, he latched onto him, bro. Give me my boobs. Dude. Oh, he was crying, waiting, dude. Oh. Yeah, very true, man. Oh, shit. Oh yeah, baby. The cutoff. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, get the hell out of here, run. I wanna cop a feel. Dude. I don't even, like, at first I thought some of the Chainsaw Man shots were CGI, but they're not. There was some animation, like, shit that was released. It's insane. Oh, nice dodge, holy shit. Oh, God. Oh, he disabled his chainsaw. Yeah, he doesn't know that. Oh, God. Oh, I forgot about that. Holy shit. Dude, the revving. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Oh, his fingers. These riffs, bro. He looks so sick. Oh, that's fear in his eyes. Ooh, you're done, sir. Oh. Oh. Right open, bro. Right open. Oh, there's so much blood. Holy shit. Dude. Oh, is that where it ends? Whoa. 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 Dude, what the fuck? Oh my god, am I on acid? What the fuck? What? It's just like, what? 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 Oh, I'll put Cheetah in the middle, bro. What the fuck was that ending? Good ass episode, awesome episode. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Have a good one.